Hello coders! Welcome to FastCoder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. Today's session we are going to learn tips to write comfortable CPC online exam. In this session we are going to learn what are the minimum requirements to write the CPC exam, what type of ID cards are required for the CPC exam, what are the system requirements for the CPC exam, and what are the books permitted for the CPC exam, and also the difference between online CPC exam with in-person CPC exam. Guys, if you are visiting for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and learn free medical coding topics related to all specialties. If you want to know or write comfortable CPC online exam, please watch this video until the end. So in order to write online exam, your computer must pass the minimum system requirements for the electronic CPC exam. So we can test our computer before the exam in order to meet the standards of AEPC's systems requirement. So during the exam, you must have webcam and headphone, as well as your webcam will be used for showing your face, your hands, your keyboard, as well as the area surrounding your keyboard. That is about 10 inches. Is the CBC exam open book exam? Yes, of course. Whether it is offline, like in person, or online, all the exams are open book exams. So, what are the materials or books required for CPC exam? AMA CPT version you can use, only AMA CPT version you can use, and you can use your choice of ICD-10 CM as well as your choice of ICPIX books. So, what can you keep with you during the exam? So along with the three coding books like CPT, ICD-10 CM, HeekPix, you can keep few drinks along with your desk. So as per AAPC standards, your room must be free from whiteboard, calendars and sticky notes with any type of writing. So you need to away from landline phones, books and other items. So how many attempts will I get for an electronic CPC exam? As usual, you can purchase one exam voucher or two exam voucher. So if you want to transfer your existing voucher to electronic, you will receive same number of vouchers you currently have. Basically, AEPC has partnered with Examity to proctor our electronic exams. So AEPC and along with Examity will conduct our online CPC exams. So basically these guidelines are useful for any type of APC certification exam. So during the exam you can't use Google or cell phones. So if you use or violates APC code of ethics by cheating, you will lose your credential and will not have the opportunities for sit for any future AAPC exam. So if you are trying to violate the AAPC rules, AAPC will not allow you to write any type of certification exam in the future. So how do you schedule the exam? So as soon as you purchase exam voucher, the electronic exam voucher will be applied to your AAPC account and you will receive a notice to schedule through AAPC's partner Measure Learning. So basically, as soon as you purchase a voucher, APC will send the scheduling system using email where you need to log in using your ID as well as your password. There you can choose where and when do you want to write the exams. So what is the electronic exam cancellation and rescheduling policy? So if you cancel or reschedule your exam date or time prior to 24 hours before the start of exam, there will be no fee. So before 24 hours, there is no fee. So you may not reschedule or cancel your testing appointment less than 24 hours in advance. So if you are unable to attend the exam what is the rules. So usually we will call it as no show policy. So if you don't show up to your scheduled exam or don't meet the requirements to take the exam, like if you are unable to attend the exam or your computer is not working, so your exam voucher will be cancelled and you will need to purchase a new voucher in order to take the exam. So is the online CPC exam still taken in two sittings? No, the online CPC exam is no longer taken in two sittings. All APC online certification exam will be taken in one sitting. So, but I think you can take breaks for washrooms. So, except those things, you don't have the permission to go out. So, during the exam, you can skip the questions and come back later, and you can read the question and answer afterwards. So as soon as you write online exam, you need to wait for 7 to 10 business days in order to get your results of your CPC exam. So what are the ID proofs are required to write this online exam? So for example, if you are writing in India, you need to have any type of government ID card like Aadhaar card or your PAN card, driver license or state ID or passport. So you need to put all these in DigiLocker app and you need to show DigiLocker app to Proctor. So while purchasing the APC voucher, you need to write the correct name which is in the ID proof. Whether you are using Aadhaar card, you need to write the same name on the APC purchase also. So your internet speed will be upload and download speed should be 5 Mbps. So basically for CPC exam, calculators are not allowed. For some specialty exams like CPMA, they will allow calculators. But for all the exams, you are having the option of using the notepads. So using the notepads, you can write if you want to write anything. So you can reschedule or cancel your exam up to 2 days. So reschedule requests are not accepted less than 2 days in advance and you will be considered a no-show candidate. So any rescheduling or cancelling 2 to 15 days prior to your exam date will result in a $25 cancellation fee. Coders, hope this session is very useful for you. So if you want to know more medical coding or important tips to pass APC Certified Professional Coder exam in 2023, watch this video on FastCoder 21 YouTube channel. And if you want to know free CPC YouTube live sessions, you can watch here. And every Saturday and Sunday, we are conducting free YouTube live sessions for CPC aspirants. These are completely free. You can come on Saturday and Sundays 9:15 p.m. IST and you can attend our free live sessions for CPC exam. I hope this session is very good for you and very useful for you. So if you have any doubt, please mention in the comment section of this video. Thank you coders. Thanks for watching FastCoder 21.